If you want to add a simple subscribe button to your video in CapCut on PC, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you two easy methods, using a sticker and using text templates for a more custom look. We'll also add a sound effect and a smooth animation so the button feels polished and professional. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple CapCut tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your CapCut project and import the main video you want to edit. Drag that video down onto the timeline so you have your base clip ready to work with. Once your main video is in place, you're ready to add the subscribe button on top of it. Now let's start with the quickest method. Go to the Stickers tab in the top left menu bar. This is where CapCut keeps a lot of ready-made visual elements you can place directly into your project. In the search bar, type subscribe and press enter. CapCut will show different subscribe-themed stickers, and you can browse through them to find one that matches your style. When you see a sticker you like, click the download arrow icon to add it to your project. After it downloads, drag the sticker onto the timeline track above your main video. This is important because the sticker needs to sit on a layer above your footage so it appears on screen properly. Next, adjust the sticker so it looks good in your video. Click the sticker in the timeline, then use the preview window handles to resize it and position it where you want it on the screen. You can place it in a corner, near the bottom, or wherever it fits your layout best. If the sticker appears too big or too small, just fine-tune the size until it feels balanced. You can also control how long the subscribe button stays visible. To do that, drag the edges of the sticker clip in the timeline. If you want it to appear for just a few seconds, shorten the clip. If you want it to stay on screen longer, extend it. This helps you match the button timing to the moment you want viewers to notice it. Now let's move on to method 2, which is perfect if you want something more polished and customizable. Click the text tab in the upper left menu, then select text templates from the sub-menu and open the social media category. CapCut has some professional looking pre-animated subscribe and like button templates here, and they can make your edit feel much more intentional. Scroll through the available templates and choose one that fits your video style. Once you find the one you want, click the plus icon or drag it onto the timeline above your main video. Just like with stickers, this keeps the subscribe element on its own layer so it displays correctly in the final edit. After you add the template, you can customize the text. Select the template in the timeline, then look at the text panel on the right side of the screen. If you want, you can change the text to include your channel name or a custom call to action. This is a great way to make the button feel more branded and less generic. If you want the subscribe button to feel more interactive, adding a sound effect is a great touch. Go to audio, then open sound effects. Search for something like click or bell, depending on the style you want. A small click sound can make the button feel more realistic, while a bell can help emphasize the action. Once you find the sound effect you want, place it in the timeline and align it exactly where the cursor or click action happens. That timing matters, because when the sound lands at the same moment as the visual button animation, the whole effect feels much smoother and more professional. Even a simple sound effect can make a big difference in viewer attention. To make the button look even better, you can add a smooth transition or entry animation. If you're using a sticker or custom graphic, click the animation tab on the right panel. From there, choose an effect like fade in or slide up. These entry animations help the subscribe button appear naturally instead of just popping onto the screen. It's a small detail, but it makes your video look much more polished. Now take a moment to review everything in the timeline. Make sure the button appears at the right time, stays on screen long enough, and matches your video style. You can play the preview a few times to check the placement, the timing, the sound effect, and the animation. If anything feels off, adjust it before exporting. And that's it. You now know how to add a simple subscribe button to a video in CapCut on PC using either stickers or text templates. This is a quick and easy way to make your videos look more engaging and encourage more viewers to subscribe. If this tutorial helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next CapCut editing guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.